We're asked to find the height of the rectangle pictured above if the area equals 420 square yards. So looking at the rectangle that's shown, this length here would be the height. So let's label this h. The length of this side would be the base, so label this b. And because the opposite sides of a rectangle have the same length, the base has a length of 30 yards. The area formula for a rectangle can be given as area equals base times height. Sometimes it's also given as area equals length times width. But because we're asked to find the height, we'll go ahead and use this formula here. And therefore, 30 yards times some unknown height must be equal to 420 square yards. As an equation, this would give us 30h equals 420. Remember, 30h means 30 times h. So if we solve this equation for h, we can determine the unknown height. And again, because 30h means 30 times h, to solve for h, we need to undo this multiplication by performing the opposite operation. And therefore, to undo multiplying by 30, we'll divide both sides of the equation by 30. On the left side, dividing by 30 undoes multiplying by 30, and therefore the left side simplifies to h, or 30 divided by 30 is equal to 1. 1 times h is h, and therefore the height is equal to this quotient, which if we need to, we can show on the side, 420 divided by 30. The first step is to determine how many 30s in 42, which is 1. 1 times 30 is 30, and we subtract. 42 minus 30 is 12. Bring down the next digit. Determine how many 30s in 120, which is 4. 4 times 30 is exactly 120. We subtract, and the difference is 0. And therefore the quotient is 14. And therefore h equals 14, which means the height of the rectangle must equal 14 yards. A rectangle that has a base of 30 yards and a height of 14 yards will have an area of 420 square yards. I hope you found this helpful.